Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're the real G. Thank you for always stopping by. And if it's your first time here, you're super welcome. You want to join the family by clicking on the red subscribe button below. Also turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a video on here. I'm Chinonso Okoronko, a Lagos Nigerian-based hairstylist, makeup artist, and fashion enthusiast. And on this channel, I film about all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So you guys, today I'm going to be trying out something I saw on Instagram. Okay, I saw this girl. If I can get the video, I'll leave it on the screen somewhere here or here, right? And I was like, you know what, I'm going to try this thing out, and if it works for me, good for me. If it doesn't work for me, that's gonna be so sad. But I want to believe that it's gonna work for me, right? I'm not a fan of, those ladies who do strip lashes in the market. I'm not a fan of that kind of lashes because I don't like that they apply it. Is it on top now or underneath? I don't know exactly how they apply it, but it can get really messy, especially when it gets to get old, and then you start seeing some gray things up there. Sometimes they are white, sometimes they turn brown, and they look really dirty and tacky. I don't like it at all, and I even don't like the fit of it. I think I've tried it only once in my life when I just started doing CC, like that year. Okay, I didn't like how it looked on me, and I took it out. And ever since then, I have not tried it ever again. And there is also this what's it called now? Semi-permanent lashes. I love those ones. They are my thing. Okay, but for some reason I've never gone to try it before. I really look forward to the day I'll go and try it on. Okay, because I love how they look. Like, they are my kind of thing. They look so beautiful and so flawless and so clean. Okay, yes, I know that they are pricey. Okay, they can be really pricey. You can get for like 20K, 25, 30, 15, depending on what vendor you're using and how, and the length and the volume of the lashes, right? Okay, but until then, I'm just going to try to do this DIY that I saw on Instagram. Okay, and if it works out, it's going to be really nice because fam, I love to save some coins sometimes, right? Don't get me wrong, I'm still going to go out and get like a real lash technician do my lashes if I get time and chance to. But for like sometimes when maybe I don't want to spend that much on lashes, but I still want to be able to get that kind of look, I can now go ahead and do this DIY by myself and still be able to look that kind of way. I hope this thing I've just explained now it makes sense. So I saw this trend on Instagram and I was like, wow, everything this girl used to achieve this, I have it in my house. I have the glue, I have the everything she used. Okay, I have it. So why not try it? Why not give it a try? It might work. Okay, and if it does work, good for you. Anyways, for this DIY today, I'm going to be using these lashes from Adicos Lashes, and I'm going to be using these styles right here because I love how they look. I also have the tweezer. Okay, this is the one I'll be using for this tutorial. I also will be using a scissors, these tiny scissors to cut the lashes into pieces. I have this my tray to um drop my glue on before I can take the lashes and dip it on it. I also have this glue. This was the exact glue she used, Lanel bonding glue. So guys, this is me trying to show you guys exactly how I'm going to cut the lashes. Okay, I just continued doing that until I arranged all of them here. Okay, I'm starting from the very last one, the longest strand. I'm going to dip. Oh, how did this get this thing again? Sorry, let me just do a quick rehearsal. Yeah, I think it's like that. So yeah, I'll dip this part of the, what you guys can see. I'll dip that part of the lash band into the glue. You guys pray for me, okay? This is my first attempt at this. Gbàdúrà fún mi. Let it be a banger. Okay, so now that I have glue, I'm just gonna raise my lashes up. I really like that this thing is going underneath my lashes and not on top of my real lashes. I'm going to go ahead and stick it down close to my lash hair, like where my lash hair begins is where I'm going to put it. My hands are shaking. This is my first time doing this. Oh my god. I'm a bit nervous, but yeah. I really want it to work out. Okay, so wow. Okay. Don't know how that looks. Ooh, it's looking nice though. Wow. But I'm just going to press that down, okay? Wow. It's actually looking nice already. Oh, but yeah, this is what it's looking like. The first strand, success. Let's go ahead with the other strands, okay? You guys, this actually looks more difficult than it is. May God forgive us content creators, especially on Instagram. If you see the way this girl did this thing, it was so easy. I'm just holding it up so that it dries down a bit. It was so easy. But look at me now. Look at me. Taking my sweet time to make sure that it comes out well. In my mind, I thought that this was going to be really easy, but you have to take your time, my darling. But it's coming out well, actually. Okay, I'm just going to continue like that. You guys, I think that I don't know why this is happening, but I think that I'm using a lot of lash glue. I don't know if that is the case, because this up is supposed to be very neat. That's the whole idea of this thing. The top, I'm seeing, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's some, the glue is seeping up to the top part of my lashes, of my lash band. And I don't like that. I thought this was just going to be underneath and the top is just going to be clean without having that lash glue thingy on top of it. I don't like this. So what's going on? What am I going to do? I guess I just have to reduce the amount of glue that I use. Let's try that and see what happens. Okay, so I've done a couple more since the last time, and I can see now that it's not like the top part. I don't know if you guys can see, but the lash glue I was complaining of before that was seeping through to the top part of my lashes has reduced in this area. I don't know if you guys can see, like there's no much stain here. So I'm almost to the front of the lashes. Are you guys? This is actually looking nice. It's actually looking nice. Actually, it is looking nice. Okay. So for the last strand I'm going to attach, I'm going to use the shortest one on this tray. So I'm not using everything, right? I have two pieces here, two pieces here. So I'm going to use the smallest one for the last part. Guys, hmm, I just applied the last one. What do you guys think? I like it though. Oh my god. I really like it. Wow. My only concern now is that if it's going to last. Okay. But I really like it. Ah, lashes. Lashes are my thing. Honestly. Lashes are my thing. Like, this looks really beautiful. Wow, I like it. Except for this, I think it was because I used so much glue than needed. I'm going to find a way to take that out. But this actually looks so good. Do not apply this thing too close to inside of your eyes because you're going to feel uncomfortable. Okay, this inner part is as if it's too, like, it went inside so much, but I'll try to fix it. Just try and attach the lashes where your own lashes start from, and you should be fine actually. Yeah, I feel a lot better. Yeah, this feels good. Hey guys, this is actually comfortable. Wow, I'm just pushing everything in just so that it sticks down even better. You guys, I'll go ahead and do my other lashes and see how the both of them is gonna look. This part is definitely more difficult than here. Oh my god. Whoa, oh my god. This is definitely more difficult. Wow. I don't know how I feel about this first one, but I'll just continue. Guess I'm just gonna trust the process, okay? Normally, when I fix this left side of my lashes, it's not as easy as here. Normally, when I do my strip lashes, but I'm just gonna, you know, try my best, okay, to make this work. The glue just got into my eyes. A little actually, and it's a bit peppery, but nothing that is unbearable, okay? It was just painful for a while, but it's gone. Funny enough, I'm halfway through these lashes and it's cooperating. I never expected it to be as cooperative as it is actually. It's not as if it's easier here than here. I guess it was because I've done this the first time and I know how to go about it. So, wow, I'm impressed, okay? I'm just gonna continue, you guys. I'm done, but this eyes definitely was very difficult for me to do. It actually was cooperating until I came to, to tell you guys that it was cooperating. And from then till I get to this first part, it was showing it epic. It showed me shaggy. At some point, I got glue into my eyes. You guys can see there is a lot of glue at the top part, which is not nice. That's not the look that we are going for, but I'm just going to leave it to dry and then I'll find a way to peel it off. So if you're going to be doing this by yourself, please ensure to stay away from the edge of your eyelashes. Okay, stay away from the both edge of your eyelashes. I don't know if you guys can see, I did not start from the very end of my lashes, okay? And also stay away from the inner portions of your eyes, because if you go ahead and fix lashes in those corners, your eyes are going to be itchy, they are going to be red, and they're going to be paining you at the edges. This is what we have. I'm not mad, I'm not disappointed. In fact, I'm glad that I got to this stage. I got to this part. I got to this extent. I got to this point with these lashes, and I love it. It doesn't even feel as if I put it under my own lashes. This actually looks beautiful. Like, this actually looks beautiful. Lashes just has a way of putting your face together even when you're not doing it. But like, you guys see how my face was when I started this video, and do you see how it is now? And all I have on is just a pair of lashes and lip gloss. And my hair, you guys, this hair, hey God, this is my hair. I'm so impressed at the extent of how well I've used this hair. Like, I've used every coin I spent on this hair. Today is 23rd of March, and this hair is officially 3 months and 3 days. I did this hair 20th of December. And you guys, this hair, this weekend, by the grace of God, I'll be taking this hair out. But yeah, this video is not about the hair, so let's go back to the lashes. This is what we have, you guys. Are you gonna be trying this out? I'm definitely going to try this out more and more and more often. For my first attempt, I think I did a fantastic job for my first attempt, and I can't wait to try this out next time. I know that it will even be better next time. So you guys, this is what we have. I like how these lashes came out actually. I'll definitely be trying it again. Yeah, what do you guys think? I like them. Please share your thoughts in the comments. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And until I see you guys in my next video, okay? Please go ahead and check out this video right here. I'm sure you like it as well. Until then, mwah.